Extra minutes.
One of the most extraordinary things that happens is in extreme temperatures in winter in vast places in the world, waterfalls literally are frozen in time, rock solid. And one-time rock climbers have decided they'd now like to conquer ice. It's dodgy because ice is brittle, and you have to be sure that there's a certain thickness. You have the unfortunate ability to put in one wrong screw or hit the ice at the wrong spot, and the whole thing can come down. Frankly, I think that I deserved a medal myself just for going with her. Because for her to climb a waterfall, we have to invariably climb a mountain. So we had to set out. I'm not a mountaineer, let me tell you. I thought there was every chance that I could take a nasty slide. Just because, it's not my thing. It's not what I do. I think it's one of the more dangerous things you could ever hope to do, but it's a challenge and it is quite beautiful.